A very good morning to all of you. Hope all of you are very safe at home and enjoying the time with your family. Well, children, it's been a very long time since I've met you all, but it's very important that we stay at home. But staying at home doesn't mean that we will not continue with our studies, isn't it, children? Yes, so today I will like to explain to you the first poem of class 5, The Ice Cream Man. And children, can you guess who am I? Yes, I am your headmistress ma'am, Manisha ma'am, and I'll be taking your English class for this session. So are you ready, children? Yes. The name of the poem is The Ice Cream Man. Do you feel happy to see an ice cream cart? I'm sure all of you like to have ice creams. So let's move on. Can you name the different seasons, children? Okay. Summer season. Yes, you're right. Rainy season. And then comes autumn season when the leaves start to fall. The winter season. Spring season, which is just happening now. Slowly we see the new leaves and flowers are starting to appear on trees. So these are the main seasons that we experience in India. And of course, summer season. Have you seen, children? We no longer need to take blankets. In fact, we are keeping the fans on, isn't it? So gradually the summer season is setting in. So when I say summer season, what comes to your mind? Yes? What all activities do you do in the summer season? Yes, swimming, then your summer holidays, isn't it? Much awaited summer holidays. Then juicy fresh fruits like watermelon, then muskmelon, and the favorite of everyone, the mango. Yes, you all love to eat mangoes? Love to have mango juice, mango shake. Also to sip coconut water. And the most favorite of all, sweet and creamy ice creams, isn't it? So summer is very exciting, isn't it, children? So now we move on to the poem, The Ice Cream Man. Now ice cream is a favorite of all children. But who brings us the ice cream? Yes, you're right. The Ice Cream Man. So, Ice Cream Man is also a very, very favorite person. When you hear the Ice Cream Man's cart ringing, the bell ringing, we all, feel happy and our eyes light up and we want to rush out and buy our favorite flavor. Do you all like to eat any particular favorite flavor? Okay, as we move on, we will know about that. Are you ready to recite the poem with me? When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink, from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. The poet of the poem is Rachel Field. I repeat, Rachel Field. Did you enjoy the poem? Now we will do it paragraph wise, okay? Can you see, children? the ice cream man coming with his ice cream cart. Yes, have you seen a cart like this in front of park, in front of temples, or in front of your school, or in the marketplace when you go out shopping with your parents? Have you seen in front of malls an ice cream cart will be always there, and different brands of ice cream? And how do you feel when you see this cart? Yes, do you feel very happy? So you will repeat with me. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, that is when it is very hot, that everything feels like, as if a bright fire is burning. It's that hot. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street in this summer season when it is so hot. What gives us relief? Who gives us relief? It is the ice cream man who brings us cool things to eat, different flavors. So when it is so hot outside and we see the ice cream cart, we feel very relaxed. We feel very nice. Okay, now it's so hot. I will have a cool ice cream and I'll feel relaxed. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. So, because it is very hot, he has an umbrella, isn't it? Otherwise, the ice cream man will also feel very hot. So, to save him from the heat and the sun, he has a round umbrella. And it is a very joyful sight. One feels very happy to see the ice cream man, and he fills cones. Can you see these cones, children? And what are the mounds? Can you see round balls on the cones? These are the different flavors. Chocolate flavor. What is the color of chocolate flavor? It is brown. Can you see the white mound? Yes. What flavor is that? Can you guess? Yes, I think you're right. It's vanilla. Then can you guess what is the yellow mound? Yes, you're right. It is Kesar Pista. Then the pink mound. That is, yes, I know it is the favorite of all children. It is the strawberry flavor. So did you understand, children, what is the meaning of mound? Mound is a heap, like a round shape. Can you see this round ball-like shape? That is the different flavors of ice cream. It is like a mound, like a ball on the cone. Have you understood, children? Okay. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. Oh wow! Can you see the different colorful flavors? Yes? Can you recognize your favorite flavor? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink. That is the cold drink. Sometimes the ice cream man also sells cold drinks. It's very cold. Chili means cold. From bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. So there are different flavors of cold drink also. Okay? See how nicely the small girl is enjoying her favorite ice cream. And these are the different fruit juices, then cold drinks, because it is very hot during the summer season, and all this helps us to remain cool. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. So have you seen this honey bees around the flowers? Have you seen like that? Or butterflies also on the flowers in the garden? Yes, so when the ice cream man comes with his cart, the children rush out. They don't want to see any place here and there. They just rush out to the cart and they gather around his cart like honeybees on a flower bed. So the children have been compared with honeybees. Just like honeybees are near the flowers, say in the same way, children are near the ice cream man's cart. Can you see these pictures? I hope it is clear. Now let us revise the new words. Okay, the first word is blaze. Blaze. Now what is the meaning of blaze? A blaze is a bright flame or fire. Can you see this picture? A flame or fire. That is, it's very hot. It means that it's very hot. Trundling. Moving on small broad wheels. Can you see the ice cream cart, children? Yes. Which brand is it? Yes. The ice cream man is selling ice creams of Mother Dairy brand. Can you see the cart and the wheels? So when he goes from one place to another on his ice cream, taking his ice cream cart, the wheels move along. So it means that that movement is known as trundling. Please repeat with me? Trundling. The movement of the wheels. Okay, that is known as trundling. Now mounds. The next word is mounds. A heap or a pile. Do you remember the small ball like shape on the cones? It is there here also. So that is known as a mound. Okay, a round like shape. It's known as a mound. Frosty fizz. Chilled drink making a hissing, bubbling sound. Children, have you ever opened a bottle of Coke or Fanta? Yes. When you or Thumbs Up, which is your favorite cold drink, but you should not have, cold drink very often. But when you open the cap of the bottle, you see lot of bubbles come out. Okay, and the cold drink also comes out making a sound, and there are bubbles. I hope you have observed it. If you haven't, next time you will open and see. Okay, that is known as a frosty fizz with bubbles along with the bubbles and fizzing sound when the cold drink comes out. Then cluster. Cluster means to gather around. Okay, did you see in the previous picture, the children were gathering around the ice cream man's cart. So that is known as cluster. Okay, have you understood the meanings? You will learn the spellings. Okay, children, you will learn the spellings of these new words and try to use these words in your own sentence. At least 2 words, any 2 words. Okay. Now let's move on to the rhyming words. Can you see the boxes, children? You have to color the boxes that have rhyming words. Let us, go through these boxes one by one. The first box, city cart. Do you think it is rhyming? City cart? No, it's not a rhyming word. Heat street. Yes, this is rhyming words because similar sound you can hear. Okay? Blows goes. Is it rhyming? Yes, children, it's rhyming. Do and go. See, it looks like rhyming, but it is not rhyming. When you have to identify rhyming words, you should spell the word, you should read the word aloud. Okay? And then you will know whether it is rhyming words. Similarly, you please go through all the rhyming words. Hard yard. Rhyming or yes or no? Please answer it. Okay? So please go through these boxes one by one. Now let's move on to describing words. You know the meaning of describing words? Yes, we have done it many times. Describing words are those words which describe or tell us something more about any naming word. For example, a sunny day. Which is the describing word? Sunny day. In this, which is the describing word? The word sunny, because it describes what kind of a day it is. Now, what do the following words describe in the poem? Joyful. I'm sure you're able to guess the right answer. The right answer is sight. Little cart. Okay, so similarly you will do the rest of the exercises after going through the poem once again. I hope you have understood the poem and you will learn to recite the poem. So after that, you will solve these exercises. Okay? There is fill in the blanks. You have to name the different flavors of ice cream, and some other questions are given. Please go through these and try to answer that. And I am always available. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Wish you all the best. Stay safe and stay at home.